Chicken legs. This is a thigh and the drumstick boned out. And that brown meat is so full of flavour.
Stuffing. Sausage meat. Pistachio nuts.
And the pistachios give it a really nice sort of nutty flavour with a nice crunchy texture, slightly sweet.
Thyme. Parsley. Salt. Pepper. Stuff.
Place that in the centre. Get your leg and fold it over.
Tin foil. Season. Olive oil. Streaky bacon.
It gives it a lot of flavour, but more importantly, keeps it nice and moist. Place it in the centre and just roll it round. Squeeze the ends nice and tight.
Poach, 25 minutes. Chill, 30 minutes. Unwrap.
Look at it. Already, it looks sophisticated.
Hot pan, olive oil. Season.
And the secret now is to get that bacon really nice and crispy. You just roll it round. Leave it to rest for a minute.
Sherry vinegar.
Deglaze the pan with some sherry vinegar. And it's really important that we deglaze inside that pan because that's what that flavour is. And it's not just the flavour of the chicken, it's the flavour of the bacon as well at the same time.
Masala wine.
There's a real sweet, dense, rich sauce that goes brilliantly with the pistachios.
Stock, reduce.
There we have a really nice 30-second sauce. And slice on an angle because you really want to show off those pistachios. That smells amazing. Absolutely delicious.
Stuffed chicken leg with masala sauce. Done.